All right. So last month I did a which sneaker would you rather have type video. I showed you a pair of New Balance and I showed you a pair of Nikes. Most people went with the Nikes. They were both $120. It was a pretty fair comparison. I like and wear both of those shoes, but the Air Max 90s were the victor according to you guys. So we're gonna continue with that theme in this video here, but kind of crank it up a little bit. I got a pair of Nikes and I got a pair of Adidas. Now, it may seem a little bit lopsided, but don't jump the gun. Just let me know which shoe you would rather have and which you would rather add to your collection based off your own standards. But let's dive into the shoes. You don't want to hear me yapping anymore. Let's do it. So the pair of Adidas I just got like an hour ago. So we're gonna wait on these. So this shoe, you've seen the model. It was in the last video and I'm continuing to ride with it because I think that this shoe is amazing. It's my fourth pair from this collection. We got Air Max 90s in the slime green colorway. Now, why am I holding the box like that? I don't know if they're actually called slime green. Did I just make that up? I'm pretty sure I saw that somewhere online. Again, I don't know the official name of this green colorway, but I just know that these are fire. You know what? I'm gonna call them lime green ahead of slime green. So I'm gonna be super brief with these because I've talked about this shoe a lot. Very brief. We're gonna get into the next one in like 30, 40 seconds. But this is such a reliable summertime shoe for me right now. The shape, the materials, the price point not being so bad at 120 bucks. Anyone can get this shoe right now. I'll link it for you guys down in the description. So those are important things to take into consideration, in my opinion. The shoe is reliable. I know I'm gonna wear it a lot. It's not gonna just sit in the box. I have another pair on the way. I'm gonna try to get them all. I don't care. I'm gonna skip the Royals, I think, but I need the purples and I need the pink. Almost all of them, but what's the official color of this? Now that's gonna bother me. I forgot the total orange pair as well. This is such a good shoe, man. They redid these. This is not the same as a regular pair of Air Max 90s. Let me drive that home. I know it's been more than 30 or 40 seconds, but if you walk into like a Champ Sports or Foot Locker and they've got the Air Max 90 Essential and other versions, it's not the same as these. This has better quality, better materials, better shape, better everything for right around the same price. Love this shoe. Can do no wrong. Can do no wrong. So all the praise that I just put into this one is going up against a shoe that I've never seen. So take that into consideration. So the price point of this shoe is substantially higher than the Air Max, coming in at $250. Price-wise, quite the mismatch. Now, some of you are immediately gonna say this shoe, because of the price, because of the value, because it could potentially resell, because of the hype, all that stuff. These are sold out. This you can get right now. So for a lot of you, you may think that's it right there. Who cares what this shoe looks like if it's reselling and it's hyped up? It's a shoe I'd rather have. But that's not my mentality. So this thing is extremely tight up in here. It has been 2 years since I went ahead and bought a pair of Yeezys. 2 years. I've said why. I don't need to go down that rabbit hole, but this is the first one that's caught my eye that I've actually been interested in a long time. Let's take a look together right now. First impressions is this is a wide shoe. These are wide. I went with my true size, which is 11.5. Barium. That is the colorway. All right, so what do we think here? What do we think? It's been so long since I've unboxed a pair of Yeezys. The 700s were awesome. I loved those. $300 for a pair? Forget it. The two pairs that I have, do I have two pairs? The two pairs that I have, I think that's all I have, Mauve and Wave Runner. I think those are the only two I have. That's enough. The two pairs that I have, that's enough. I don't need any more pairs. 300 is crazy for a pair of Adidas. I don't care how much hype there is. Any shoe over 200 retail, I'm really questioning it. When Jordans are 225, I hate that. I'm like, I absolutely have to need those for me to pull the trigger. And even though I know that there's a lot of material, a lot of tech in this shoe, and it's a brand new model, it's gonna be expensive, I get it, but still $250, man. That's why I'm always so hesitant, and 350s just miss me with 350s for the most part. I ran in some 350s the other day. That was the first time I had worn them in a while. I just, casually, I'm so over wearing that shoe. Anyway, so the original colorway is what first drew me into this shoe, and I thought it was awesome. This one, this barium colorway, it's okay. It's definitely a fall vibe. That's the thing. Getting these, I knew, all right, I'm gonna wear them in the fall mostly. I may throw them on today. Actually, it's raining now, so maybe not, maybe tomorrow, but just to see how they feel and whatnot. It's not a sneaker that's gonna wow you. These couldn't be more different, the two of these. You got classic nostalgia, vibrant summertime colors, retro feel, and you've got what looks like almost a spaceship boot, basketball shoe, something like a model you've never seen before. So totally different shoes. And hype aside, I know this is gonna sound crazy, all hype aside, I think I'd rather go with the airmax 90s, even though I paid double, more than double for this shoe. I'm happy to have these. I'll be keeping them. I'll be wearing them in the fall. This is certainly gonna be like a situational shoe. I'm not gonna be throwing these on like multiple times a week. The Volt Air Max 90s, I wear them multiple times a week. I wanna throw, oh, this is different than the Volt, by the way. I didn't mention that. This is, should I grab the Volts? I'll show you a quick comparison before I get out of here about the two different colors. They're similar, but they're different. Back to the Quantum though, earth tones on here, and it's a cool shoe. I like them. They're cool. I'm not wowed, but then again, with a new model, sometimes they kind of got to grow on you. Like the 750s, love the 750s. That's one of my favorite sneaker models. However, don't get to wear them that often, given how high cut they are. And those grew on me. At first I was like, what is that? That's an odd shoe. They grew on me like crazy. These may grow on me even more, but leave a comment and let me know which shoe you would rather have, the Air Max 90s or these brand new Yeezys. Let me grab the other pair to show you a comparison. Here are the Volts, here are the greens, similar but different. All right, and with all that said, let me know down in the comment section which one you would rather have to your standards. There's no wrong answer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more of them, definitely let me know and hit that thumbs up button for me. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Subscribe if you're new. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see how I style these things. I'll try to wear them this summer, but definitely going to be more of a fall sneaker. So hope you guys are staying safe. Thank you for tuning in. I'll catch you next time. Peace.